Flashing a smile allows you to look friendly, young, and beautiful, but not if your teeth are discolored. If you are like many who are not at all happy with the color of their chompers, then this video is for you. Keep watching. You will learn about certain herbs that are guaranteed to make your teeth some of your best physical assets. These days, there are tons of teeth whitening products available on the market. Toothpastes, gels, creams, strips, mouthwashes, gums. These are some of the most common forms of teeth whitening goods that you can come across. There are also certain devices that rely on light technology to brighten a person's smile. Unfortunately, not all of these products can deliver. If you are looking for a more affordable way of whitening your teeth, there are certain herbs that you may try. Some of them may already be in your kitchen. This very instant, which means that you can get your journey to possessing white teeth started right away. Here are some herbs that can help make your smile lovelier. Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today I will present 5 herbs that help whiten your teeth. Number 1. Holy basil. A herb used for various culinary and medicinal purposes. Holy basil is something that can make everyone around you go, "Holy moly!" the next time you flash your smile. What you need to do is allow fresh holy basil leaves to dry completely and then pulverize them using a coffee or spice grinder. Sprinkle some on your toothbrush. Number 2. Bay leaves. You may also pulverize bay leaves and mix them with a little lemon juice to have your teeth whitened naturally. However, since there is lemon juice involved, it is a good idea to do this particular teeth whitening tip no more than twice or thrice a week. Otherwise, you may end up with sensitive teeth. Number 3. Sage leaves. It's possible to take advantage of the teeth whitening properties of sage leaves in a couple of ways. First, you may crush one with your fingers and then rub it directly on each of your teeth. Second, you may boil some sage leaves in water and allow the mixture to cool. Fish out the leaves, transfer to a plastic container with a cup, and use as mouth rinse. Number 4. Guava leaves. One of the simplest ways to have your chompers whitened with the use of herbs is by chewing on a few tender guava leaves. Aside from making your smile a total head turner, guava leaves can also instantly zap bad breath. That's because it has the ability to kill off odor-causing microbes in your mouth. Number 5. Licorice root. In many places on the planet, licorice root is used as a makeshift toothbrush, not only to clean the teeth, but also whiten them. What you need to do is chew on one end and then start scrubbing your teeth with it. Do it as gently as possible to keep your gums out of harm's way. You may also simply chew on a small chip of licorice root. That's 5 herbs that help whiten your teeth. If you enjoy watching this video, please share it to your friends.